Hi everyone, and welcome to my first November video, which of course it's the first November video, so it's a tag. And today I've used up my October, I think it was October embellishment kit that I got from Sarah. So I've just done a very basic quick little tag. So the first thing I did was I made this cute little paper clip. We're using one of the wooden embellishments that was in the kit, which I really like. And then I've just covered a tag back and front with the Simple Stories Autumn Breeze collection, which I know Sarah's got in the shop because I double checked. So I've used the lovely wooden Let's Get Cozy for the bottom, and I've used the beautiful pom-pom that was on the side. Now the picture is of a tree that I've got in my local park, and it is just absolutely stunning. It's green obviously all year, and then it turns this really beautiful sort of iridescently red colour, and then it just loses all of its leaves. So I managed to catch it just as it was about to start losing its leaves, so I thought that was a perfect subject for my tag. And what I've done is I've made like a little book or a little opening piece to go on my tag. I've used a little one of the little material tags from the embellishment kit, and again I've just put autumn days on the front. I've used another tag and just cut it down from the Autumn Breeze collection, and used a couple of the die cuts and just wrote about the fact that this is my favourite tree in the whole park, especially this time of year when it changes colour. And then just to finish it off, I had a bit of brown ribbon in my own stash, so I've just popped that through the top and tied it with a piece of thick thread so that it stays put on my tag. And that is my a quick walkthrough of my November tag. Again, I hope that gives you some ideas if you've got scraps left from your embellishment kit, or if you've got just autumn scraps left over. The tags are a brilliant way of using that up. So that's the front, and just flick it over. The back's really plain, and flick it through again. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.